Hey there guys, today I'll be playing a game called Hill Climb, and the way it works is so you have to drive and you can't you can't flip over, so you can't basically kill yourself. And I'm actually really good at this game, so let's see how good I do. No. See, you can't hit your head or anything, so basically you can't break your neck. Basically like that kind of. I can't really describe it in another way, so that's basically the best. Let's see. No, come on. Let's see. Oh, sorry guys. If you want to download this game, I got it from the App Store. It's actually for free. Type in Hill Climb and it will show up. Okay. Go. Woo! Oh, come on. Yeah. I'm gonna do a couple more rounds. Okay. My record, I actually don't remember. I think it's I'll remember. Now, let me show you everything you can get. So these are all the weathers, what do you call them? Dimensions or whatever. Countryside, desert. I'll let you read them and look. I really want the boot camp at Christmas. The beach. I didn't even know. The roller coaster. I want so much, but I said, oh. There. Next, vehicle. The Jeep we saw that with. There's even a sled. There. Trying to make me see it really good. I'll show you the sled. That's the hardest one. Yeah. Hot rod. I really want that. Okay. Well, thanks for watching this episode. And tell me if you want me to play this game. Tell me if you like this, and also tell me if you got this game, and I hope you give it a big fat thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.